Filming your online course doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need fancy gear or a pro studio. You just need the right tools and a clear plan. Today I'll show you how to film and edit your course so that it looks polished, professional, and ready for your students. Let me be upfront. My focus is online courses, not filming and editing. Creators like Think Media specialize in this and can give you incredible in-depth guidance on filming and editing. But what I can share with you are the methods and tools that I know work based on working with dozens of successful course creators over the last few years. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what tools you need, how to set up your filming space, and even some tips to edit your videos like a pro. Let's break down how to film your course without overcomplicating it. If your course involves slide decks, tutorials, walkthroughs, or anything on the computer really, tools like Loom or Riverside, which I am using now, they allow you to record both your screen and your face simultaneously so your students can see you as you teach. You don't need a fancy camera. Your smartphone is more than capable of producing high quality videos. Just make sure you have good lighting and a steady surface to record on. If you do have access to a DSLR or a mirrorless camera, they're great for that extra professional value. But remember, it's not about the gear, it's about the content. If you have a DSLR and know how to use it, that's great. But to me, it's not worth going out of your way to get one just for this. Next, let's talk about creating the perfect filming environment and a few things that you should consider. Keep it clean, uncluttered, and visually appealing. You don't need a professional studio, just make sure there's nothing distracting in the background, like this. Natural light is your best friend. If you're filming during the day, set up near a window. If not, invest in an affordable ring light or softbox to make sure your face is well lit. Quick rule of thumb, if it looks bad on screen or on the camera you're using, then it looks bad. Spend a little bit of time fixing your lighting. Your students will appreciate it. Dress to match the tone of your course. If you're teaching business and finance, business casual is perfect. If you're teaching fitness, go with something sporty and approachable. Your appearance sets the tone of your professionalism. This just feels awkward, doesn't it? Once your videos are filmed, the next step is editing. This might sound technical, but there are tools that make it surprisingly simple. Mac users can use iMovie. It's intuitive and has everything you need for basic editing. Mac and PC users can also check out DaVinci Resolve. It's a free tool and it has professional level capabilities. I've attached a couple of beginner tutorials for each platform that I recommend to learn the basics of editing in the description below. And if editing feels overwhelming to you or you just don't have the time, you can always outsource it. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great for finding skilled editors who can bring your vision to life. When you're editing, keep it simple. You want to cut out any unnecessary pauses, mistakes, or fluff. No one wants to see 30 seconds of you staring at your notes to see what to say next. Where was I going from here? Add some polish with smooth transitions and titles, but don't overdo it. Your content is what matters most. Here are a few extra tips to make your course stand out even more. Show your face. Even if it's just a small picture-in-picture in the corner of your screen, it helps your students feel connected to you. If possible, invest in a simple lavalier mic like this one. Good audio can make or break your course. This sounds terrible. Or a USB microphone. It'll make a huge difference. And even something as simple as using your AirPods or headphones with a built-in mic can be a simple fix for bad audio. With these tools in place, your course will not only sound good, but it will also feel professional and engaging. This is where your course really starts to come to life. And trust me, it's an amazing feeling to see all of your hard work start to finally take shape. Now that you have your course filmed and edited, what do you do next? Check out this next video here, where I'll walk you step by step through the process of hosting and uploading your online course.